Hello and welcome back to PC Quiz YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered how your favorite chatbot just knows what to say? Or the tools like ChatGPT knows how to write poetry, codes, or even crack jokes? If yes, then this video is just for you. Now let's dive into one of the hottest debates in tech right now, AI versus generative AI. You must be wondering what is the difference between these two? Why does this matter to us? And most importantly, what is the benefit of AI in our future? So stick around till the end of this video because we are not only breaking down on how these technologies work, but we'll also explore the fascinating history, real-world examples, and the key differences you must understand in 2025 and beyond. So without any delay, let's continue our video. Difference between traditional AI and the generative AI. First is purpose. The core purpose of traditional AI is to enhance decision making, automate repetitive tasks, and improve efficiency in data-driven process. Traditional AI focus on specific problems like detecting fraud and predicting outcomes. Traditional AI is designed to understand the data and not to create the data. On the other hand, generative AI is built with the purpose of creation. It goes beyond problem solving and ventures into the domain of content generation. It aims to produce new human-like content based on prompts. Second is functionality. Traditional AI functions by analyzing structured inputs to produce new specific outputs. It works with labeled or unlabeled datasets but lacks general adaptability. Whereas the generative AI functions by recognizing complex patterns in large and diverse datasets and then creating new outputs that was not part of its training data. Generative AI's functionality is rooted in flexibility and creativity. Learning techniques. Traditional AI relies on supervised and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, it's trained on labeled data to learn specific tasks. For example, classify email as spam or not. In unsupervised learning, it uncovers hidden patterns without predefined labels, useful for things like customer segmentation. Generative AI primarily uses deep learning. These multi-layered networks allow AI to process large-scale text, image, and port data. Input versus output focus. Traditional AI is highly input-dependent and structured. It requires a clean, well-organized data to function properly and output determine result. It follows a data in and decision out model. Whereas generative AI's output is not preset, and which makes it more dynamic. It can take loosely structured prompts to generate a wide range of possible results. Role in the AI ecosystem. Traditional AI plays the role of analytical engine, whereas the generative AI plays the role of creative engine. Traditional AI drives operational tasks, optimization, and predictions. Here, generative AI is the voice that expresses, explains, and visualizes data like human likeness and communication. While traditional AI systems are typically rule-based and mechanical in tone, generative AI brings a layer of human interaction. It's capable of nuanced communication, storytelling, and creative expression. So guys, basically traditional AI is the silent powerhouse, analyzing, optimizing, and making a digital world more smarter. Whereas the generative AI is the creative force, giving machines a voice, a brush, and even a pen to express ideas like never before. Together they are not competing, but completing the future of intelligence. If you found this video informative, give it a like and subscribe to PC Quest for more insights on tech and innovation.